Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Consumer Shorthand classes. This speed is of Andhra Pradesh and of July 1994. Get ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. You may perhaps have read in the newspapers that in the 8th 5-year plan we have made a big increase in the allocation for the development of the rural areas. The disparities between the rural and the urban areas have been steadily increasing rather dangerously in this country, and we should not allow this to happen. If it is not stopped, there will be a gap, there will be opposition, there will be tension between the villages and the cities. This is already happening and we should stop it. Take the case of people coming to the cities from villages in search of livelihood. You see what is happening in Bombay now. People are going there, and those who are already there feel that those who are coming from outside are taking away their livelihood. This kind of opposition, this kind of tension, this kind of complication could be created in the cities. We have to be careful, very conscious of it. We have been able to put down whatever happened in Bombay. We will certainly find out who the offenders are. We will also see that those who have gone out of Bombay, who were serving in Bombay, will come back. They are already coming back. That is a different matter. Bombay is only one example. I am talking of cities in general. Unless we stop this urbanization, people in lakhs and lakhs would migrate from the villages to the cities, leaving the villages completely neglected, leaving them completely without leadership, leaving them without schools, hospitals, etc. That is what will happen. We will have to stop this. We stopped this only when the money which is needed for big undertakings in the cities is realized for the villages. We have put 30 crore rupees in the 8th 5-year plan for the villages. We have started with 10,000 crore rupees. In the 7th plan, there was hardly 5 to 6,000 crore rupees. Now we have increased the allocation very much. But where will the money come from? If all the money is going for big projects and no big project is attracting money from outside, then the government will not be able to divert anything to the villages. Another way of putting money into the villages of India is to support agriculture. The importance given to agriculture will not be diluted under any circumstances. Dear sir, I am very happy to know that a workshop is being organized by the department on a very important subject like learning without burden. The subject has gained importance in the recent past, particularly after the National Policy on Education 1986. There are a number of companies from the public that children of the age group 4 to 9 have to carry a heavy load of books to the school. A number of educationists and politicians have also felt the same. Hence, the Government of India has appointed a committee to go into this particular aspect in detail and suggest measures to reduce the burden of the students. The committee has submitted its recommendations. I am glad that this workshop is going through the recommendations, discuss their implications for implementation, and suggest follow up action. In this connection, I suggest that the workshop may discuss two important issues such as the physical load and the academic load of the students. Yours sincerely, that's all.